Hi, my name is Thomas and I'm a recent graduate of the MSc in Marketing Practice programme at the University of Galway. I've recently completed my 37-week placement at JFC. My day-to-day role includes social media marketing, lead management and SEO work, as well as supporting the area sales managers across international markets. Seeing marketing processes firsthand was very important to me in my career. This placement has granted me real-world experience that has enhanced my educational journey thus far. The hands-on approach offered by JFC has allowed me to apply my theoretical learnings to a real workplace environment. Part of my responsibility here at JFC is scheduling content and developing timelines for future marketing material. I've been involved in various video and photo shoots to gather marketing material for future content. Through this, I've learned a great deal about the application of design and video in marketing. I first came across JFC's placement programme on the University of Galway website when I was applying for the course. I would have first heard about JFC when I was very young. My family farm always had JFC products and I thought this could be the place for me. And luckily enough, when I interviewed, I got the call. The team here at JFC have been very supportive since I first started, and I've always felt comfortable voicing my opinions and contributing to the conversation. We have over 1,000 products, and seeing each one of those being used, whether it's on farm shoots, whether it's down the factory floor, seeing how a product's made, it makes it a lot easier to market a product that you understand fully. While my internship was mainly focused on agri, I also learned a lot from my experience with the other business units. Seeing a company design, develop and manufacture products all in-house was very inspirational to me. My 9-month placement here at JFC has been a transformative period for me. I believe that I've really learned a lot about how to operate in a corporate environment and that I'll be able to apply those skills going forward in my career. It's been an amazing experience and I would highly recommend this placement to any Masters in Marketing Practice students going forward.